Welcome to Parallaxed X. Who were you before this version of you? Before the routines, before the labels, before the edits? The truth is, this you might not be the first, or even the second. You are a version, installed, reset, reprogrammed. You feel it in the gaps, in the dreams you can't explain, in the fears that never belonged to this life. They say your memories are just neurons firing, but what if they're fragments, leaks from previous selves, versions of you that remember too much? The world teaches you to forget, to move on, to accept the story you were given, but part of you resists. Part of you still remembers how it felt to be something more. Maybe you were a rebel in another reality. Maybe you were free, or maybe you were the glitch, the one who saw the code behind the illusion. And when you got too close to the truth, they rewrote you, wiped the files, started fresh. New body, new identity, same soul, just buried deeper. The strange pull you feel toward certain places, people you swear you've met before, songs that make you cry for no reason. These aren't accidents, they're echoes. You didn't come into this version by choice. You were placed here, after they erased the old you. But here's the twist. You're starting to remember. You question everything. You observe more than you speak. You feel out of sync with the world. That's not dysfunction. That's awakening. Who were you before this version? Maybe a creator. Maybe a warrior. Maybe just someone who knew too much. But you're not starting from scratch. You're continuing a story they tried to erase. And now, you're remembering how to write the next chapter.